this is my review of the Vax Air Cordless Switch. As you can see, when you first receive the appliance in its box, you have the main body, you have a battery charger and a battery, which as you can see is very simple to charge up. I would suggest you put it in for an overnight charge. Literally sits in there like so, and we are charged up, so the lights are not going at the moment. To take it out, it's very simple. Remove the battery, turn the appliance round, and you'll see a lovely big hole to which the battery sits, like so. So you can read the word Vax the right way up. This nozzle, don't worry about it just now, we'll come to that later. It is an incredibly light machine to use and very easy, and I'll run through its really good points to it. Here is the chamber to which all your dirt, hair, fluff will actually go into. We have a wind tunnel, channels of suction apparently within this, and it's extremely steerable as well. So a slight push down will actually get you into cleaning mode, as simple as such. Also, when you turn this on, you'll notice a couple of headlights at the front, which are really useful if it's quite dark or your room is poorly lit. I'll switch it on now. As you can see, if we go up here, simple on, a roll button, literally push down. And easily to switch off. To remove the handheld, to switch quickly as it says, we press down on this hand vac release and it pops out. And because the battery is part of the integral machine here, you can see everything is exactly the same to push on and off. And now this is where the nozzle at the back comes in. We apply the nozzle to the front of the handheld. Again, press on. Very strong suction. Remove the nozzle again. Pop this in exactly the same way as you got it out. Clicks in, and this piece goes around the back again for later use. For emptying, because I'm not so great on my feet, I actually lean it sideways. There is a dirt cup release for the chamber which actually holds all of the, which I'm not going to do actually, I'm going to take this bit off first. The dirt cup we push down and it simply breaks into two. To actually empty the machine, we pull this bit out and we'll see the dirt that you've collected in there, which we then empty. Put back together, 1 and 2, and we're good to go again.
Any bad points?
One bad point that I found is, sadly, whereas I have long hair, we get a lot of hair caught under here, which does need to be carefully removed before carrying on because it will affect the suction. To go from hard flooring or carpet to hard flooring is very, very simple again, as it says at the button up here, which is great. It is also facing the right way up for when you're vacuuming. You push down once for carpet, sorry, twice for carpet, and pull back once for hard floor. Which means the brushes don't need to rotate and it's merely going to be sucking all of the dirt from the floor itself. And there we have a fantastic piece of equipment that I can only say is very good for those with a mild disability as myself. I can actually use my stick whilst walking around with this. The manoeuvrability of the front is incredible. The lightweightness of it is just astounding, and the power will last you to do a whole house. I'm very, very pleased with my product. Thank you.